Alright guys, today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do a popular dance on TikTok at the moment to the song Closer. Amapiano remix, amazing remix. And as always, I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys to make it as easy as possible. And I actually think that this dance is easy in terms of, the steps are basic. The hard part is just being able to do it fast. But that's what we're going to practice. We're going to take it slow and then we're going to gradually speed up. Alright, let's get it. Okay, starting with the first mini section, I'm just going to show a quick preview of what you're about to learn, alright? It goes like this. Wah, 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 ta, 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 ta. Alright, let me break it down for you. So, what you want to do is just jump to the front, alright? Both legs, wah. Alright, notice how my arms are back here. I'm sort of bending forward here. Just to show it from the side here, I'm going wah. Alright, now from here, I'm just going to stay here and then I jump back. Okay, so I'm going to show it to the front again. I did jump, and then I went back up. All right, notice how I spread my legs here. Then I try to gather them a bit here. So right after that, what you want to do is take a step with your left, all right? And then you want to say hip, okay? So I went from here, boom, very subtle, okay? Let me show it from the side. I did step, and then I did hip. This is the move. Da, 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 da. This is a simplification, all right? You're gonna add the arms as well, which is what's going to, increase the effect here. And pulling up your hands. Ah, ah, ah. Notice how I shoot my hips to the front and when I pull up. Bam, 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 bam. Hey, hey, hey. That's the move, all right? So you're gonna do one here, and to the other side, and then you're just gonna end here without pulling up, okay? So just watch, I'm doing and pull, and pull, and. All right, guys, let me just recap here. So, starting from the beginning of mini section 1, I did jump to the front, jump back, and then I did step left, pull, right, pull, left, okay? Notice how it's always my opposite arm. All right, so when I step with my left, it's my right arm over here pulling up. Okay? Let me explain the timing as well before we practice. The timing is we want to jump on 1, we jump back on 2, and then we do 3 and 4 and 5. So when I do it a bit faster, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna jump on 1. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Let's try that again. Maybe slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, let's just try one last time, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. All right, guys, feel free to pause the video and practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 2. Okay, mini section 2. Let me just quickly show you what you're about to learn, all right? So this is end of mini section 1. 2 goes wah, 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 wah. All right, let me break it down for you. This is the move that's called the pas de bourrée, one of the most used dance moves of all time. Let me break it down for you, right? So this was end of 1, 2 goes, the left goes behind, right goes right next to it, and then left goes step to the front, all right? Let me just rewind here. So what I did is I did left, right, left, all right? Try that a few times. I did left behind, right side, left front, okay? Try that a few times. Back, back, front. Again. Back, back, front. All right? Now, once you've done that a million times and you feel confident, you want to do it to the opposite side, all right? So we just said, now we want to take the right behind and go right behind, left, right next to it, and then right to the front, all right? So we're going to say back, back, front. So from here, starting with the right this time, right, left, right. Let's try that again. We did right, left, right. Right, left, right. Okay? Now once you feel comfortable doing it to the other side, then let's try to combine it. Alright? So we want to say left, right, left. Now, right, left, right. Alright? Try it. Let's try it a bit slower. We're gonna go left, right, left, and right, left, right. And then gradually speed up. Alright? Left, right, left, and right, left, right. Now let me explain the timing as well. So this is 5. We go on 6 and 7, 8 and 1. All right, so there's a tiny pause there. We did 6 and 7, pause, 8 and 1. Time to practice. So remember, we start in 6. So I'm gonna count 3, 4, 5, and then we start 6 and 7, pause, 8 and 1. Okay? 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, pause, 8 and 1. Let's try that again. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. One last time. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, pause, 8 and 1. Okay guys, let's try and combine mini section 1 and 2, right? I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick recap. It goes like this. Jump, back, work, pull, ah. Bade booty. Now let me do it with the count, just watch. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Time to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Okay, mini section 3, quick preview. Goes like this. So this was end of 2, 3 goes ta, ta, boom, and ah, and boom. All right, breakdown, mini section 3. So what you want to do is take your right leg here and go cross over your left. Okay, and as you do that, you also want to say point. This is where you need to go. All right, and then you point back because you need to go back. Right, first 2 steps. I just did. Wham, wham. Okay, wham, wham. Tap, back. And then you want to put your weight here because now it's time to move the left one. It goes behind. All right. And at the same time, you also want to bring up your arms like this. Let me just repeat. So, cross over, point, back, switch weight to this one, and then bring the left back and go up with your arms. Okay, try that a few times. Wing, wing, wing. Again. Wing, wing, wing. Again. Wing, wing, wing. Now from here, what you want to do is just bring the arms down and bring your leg back out. Okay, so it was here behind, goes out. This time, when you bring it back in again, you want to bring up your arms like this. Ah! All right, so let's just rewind. Point cross, back, up with your arms, down with your arms, then up to your mouth. Okay, let's try and practice that sequence. Point, back, step up, down. Ah! All right, let's try that again. Point, back, up, down. Oh, okay. And then the last bit as well. Push it down again, and then bring it up to the first one. Okay. Let me just recap here. So just watch. Boom, 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 down. Ah, down, up. Okay, so before we start practicing, let me just explain the timing. The timing is, this was 1. It goes and 2, and 3, and 4, and. So it's just on and counts, right? Very easy to follow. All right, so this was 1. Okay, so we're gonna practice in and 2 and so on. So I'm gonna count 7, 8, 1, and then we're gonna start. Okay? 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try that again. 7, 8, 1. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. I feel like we need to try one last time a bit faster. 7, 8, 1. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, I think we should practice mini section 1, 2, and 3. Okay, quick recap, and then we're gonna practice. Okay, recap. I'm just gonna do it with the counts. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay, let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Alright guys, feel free to pause the video if you need to practice some more, but if you're ready to move on, then let's move on to mini section 4. Okay, mini section 4 goes like this. We here, this was in a 3, 4 goes step, ba-da, step, ba-da. Now onto the breakdown. So, this was in the 3. What you want to do here is take a step out with your left, also using your right arm to sort of guide it, okay? Here. And then you want to say step, step, and what I really mean by that is you want to take your right, tap, and then you want to move the left out, all right? So just watch. What I'm doing is I'm going, this was the first step, then I'm doing step, step, okay? Here, step, step. Try that a few times. I just said step, step, step. Okay? Try that a few times. So from the beginning, step, step, step. Okay? And I want to do it to the opposite side. You want to go right, step, step. Okay? So try that a few times. You go left, step, step, right, step, step. Now the timing, so you want to say this was and, for and, you want to go 5, 6, right? So you want to wait until the very last millisecond before you say 6. So you did 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. But we're gonna practice that much slower, of course. So we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm gonna count us in. I'm gonna go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Of course, much slower. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try this tiny fast. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now into the last minute section. So we did one. Last minute section looks like this. ba ba, a, ba ba, a, ba ba. So when I break down the move, it's like this. Yeah, with the inner 4 here. 5 goes taking a small step with your left before you say right, left. Okay, so your foot is going out here and then in. Yeah, so when you do it a bit faster, it's going to look like a kick. Ka, 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 ka. That's the kick. Okay, so we did small step on the spot with the left. Whack, whack, whack. Okay, let's try that to begin with. Step, da, da. Step, da, da. Now once you can do that, step, da, da, you want to bring this one down, slightly back here, and then you want to say step again with your left, and go again, ka, ka. Down here, ka, ka. I'm going to show it from the side as well. I'm just going to show the move here. Down, step, ka, ka. Down, step, ka, ka. That's the move, all right? Down, step, ka, ka. Down, step, ka, ka. Da, 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 da. Okay? Practice slow and then gradually speed up. Now let me explain the timing. So, timing-wise, this was in 4, 5 goes, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Alright? Now you can add a bit more groove to it. So what I mean by that is you want to go a bit down before you go kick, down, kick, down, kick. Alright, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna go and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. All right, guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, quick recap with the count. Goes like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. All right, time to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. All right, let's try again, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. Okay, guys, feel free to pause the video and practice at your own pace. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the real tempo. Okay, goes like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.